as Deputy Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly, and it has been a good experience in this August House of Goa Legislative Assembly, and I have learnt a lot for the last 2.5 years. We have seen so many different types of rules, and we also understood what was 10th schedule of the Constitution of India, what is written, especially mergers of 2/3 of the parties. I think 2 times it has taken place, and it has been a good journey over here till now, and I am ready to take up the next responsibility which the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant will assign to me from Monday.
Are you being sworn in the evening, later in the evening?
Yeah, I am one of the ministers who will be sworn in, to be ministers to be sworn in.
Okay, how comfortable you will be able to work with 10 people who were in opposition and who were just shifted not because of ideology but because of convenience?
I can work with anybody. I do not have problems, and my job is to bring solutions to various problems which are there in the state of Goa under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and Bharatiya Janata Party. And I think working with my colleagues in the House who have just joined Bharatiya Janata Party family, I think won't be any problem as far as they are concerned. His name was only there because he is always in the forefront. He is a 4-time MLA, but he first only had said that I will give the position to my wife, to Jennifer. Maka tene starting सांगले Jennifer will be.
So has party finalized who will be the deputy speaker from your side?
That is Chief Minister and the party will decide on that. Especially I think the MLAs from South Goa, from the Congress has already expressed, and their only condition was that they have joined to give good administration to the people, and people-friendly administration. जे कलेक्टर सावथान जी दादागिरी चलताली, जेन्ना मंत्र्यांक वचून मेवताले लोक आनी तांकां जे इन्सल्ट मेवताले ते लोकांनी पळयल्ले आनी आमदारांनी पळयल्ले. से आमदारांनी जे डिसिजन घेतलां ही गोंयच्या लोकांच्या बरेपणाक लागून.
Was it a mistake?
It was totally in the interest of the people of South Goa.
Was it a mistake in 2017 to go with these kind of elements according to you?
I feel somewhere we did that mistake. In that particular time also, some Congress MLAs wanted to resign and join along with Vishwajit, which we did not accept. We should have accepted then. I can work anywhere in Goa. That is the part. Like once I am being sworn in, I will work all over Goa. So Chief Minister knows what is my passion and what I am passionate about. So I have asked him to give me something which I can deliver to the state of Goa and the Goans.
So you will continue to be chairman of NGP?
No, I don't think I will continue to be chairman.
Are you a relaxed man today?
I am not relaxed. We are always working. So our work will continue for the people.